All right, so we are doing transmission fluid on the S2000. The fill plug is this 14 millimeter hex. You always want to crack loose the fill plug first to make sure that you can actually get that out, because you would at least rather have a transmission with fluid than one with zero fluid. So we're gonna crack that loose, maybe. All right, that was a little scary. Now that that is loosened, we will come over to our drain plug, which is just a 3/8 inch square plug. And that one, do we have a fresh 3/8 or a fresh pressure washer for the transmission fluid?
Don't believe I got one. I just got fluid.
So we're just gonna loosen this guy up and let that drain out. It looks like it's probably original. It's in like okay shape. It's not super black, but it's not crystal clear. So we'll let this drain and then put this back in. Huh?
See, you just said that. Stressful watching.
Stress watching. Okay, and we will get our fill plug all the way off now. That should actually help this drain a little more. There's like a gasket behind this.
I don't know.
That just kind of disintegrated. I don't know if that was like a PTFE sealant that we don't have. Googling.
Searching. So Kyle got a little overzealous with the big clutch housing plug, whatever that is up there.
Torque spec on this is 51 foot-pounds. It seemed like it had a gasket around it, like a
RTV
gasket maker, but Dan found the manual and they didn't mention anything about it, so we put that back on and torqued it to 51. The fill plug is actually this guy right above the drain plug.
Makes sense.
Which makes sense. This also looks like where the transmission gears probably start and stop. So this is a 17 millimeter socket on here, and we're gonna loosen our fill.
Now you'd want to loosen that fill first, if you were smart, as maybe was mentioned earlier, to make sure that that's loose before you drain all your fluid out. So now we can put our drain plug back in and refill with somewhere between 1 and 2 quarts of genuine Honda TM manual transmission fluid.
We have a torque spec for this guy.
Transmission drain plug. We are tightening to 29 foot-pounds. Fill plug will be 33 foot-pounds when we get there. I mean, this is what we're doing, I'm gonna use both of my hands. So goodbye, everyone.
All right, we are on the rear diff. There is a 23 millimeter fill plug that you want to crack loose first. We already cracked that, so that is ready to roll. And then we have a 24 millimeter drain plug, which we are able to get a socket on. We also cracked that one loose. So we're going to
If you want gloves.
Leave that on the ground, probably. But I'm here already, so. And while this drains, we will clean our bolts off.
Ooh.
Nice. Yummy, yummy.
Very dark.
Yeah, I feel like diff fluid
Just gets
sees
like
a little more wear.
So we've got a quart of 75W 110 Amsoil something extreme wear. That's what came recommended on the old interwebs, so that's what we got.
The Miata 7590.
75 110, what is it? Like, what's it called?
Amsoil Severe Gear 100% synthetic gear lube. SAE 75W-110. 1 quart.